What's up, guys? Here we are in the snow. Man, I love snow. This is crazy, guys. Check out this flip. Man, all this snow. I love it so much. But you know what I don't love? The 1972 Iranian blizzard. The most deadly blizzard ever recorded. Check this move out. Zoom out.
What?
Zoom up! Yeah, it's kind of a depressing topic. The Iranian blizzard of 1972, otherwise known as the deadliest blizzard ever recorded, wiping out 200 villages and burying over 4,000 people. And at the time, prior to the storm, they were going on a 4-year drought. February 3rd, 1972, marked the end of this drought. For 6 days, the blizzard raged from I gotta look that up.
Azerbaijan
To southern Iran. Reports say temperatures were as low as 15 degrees and a 26-foot blanket of snow was swept over the entire nation. 26 feet of snow. That's like if you live in a 2-story apartment, you open up the window and it looks like the ground is right by you. That'd be nuts. Vehicles were crushed, trains were completely buried, and power lines were destroyed, leaving people trapped and stranded in their houses. To make matters worse, there was a flu epidemic. Yeah, Jesus Christ, what a time to be in Iran. The area affected was approximately the size of Wisconsin. All of Wisconsin, 26 feet of snow. Some 200 small villages were completely buried and wiped out. Virtually all of Iran's landmass vanished beneath a covering snow that was so deep in places it literally buried thousands of people, many of who sat tight in houses that turned into freezing death traps long before the slow thaw revealed the true horror of this extraordinary happening. That was a quote from somebody, I don't remember who it was. When things finally stopped raging around February 9th, they were finally able to pilot rescue copters out to try and save any survivors. What were once small villages were now giant snowdrifts, and when dug up, nothing but frozen corpses. A blizzard like this just happened to Iran, and they were just fucked. 4,000 people buried by snow. What a fucking nightmare. All the power lines went down. Oh my God. Something like this can just happen